Cooking dinner with family. Hello, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today's story is a very warm and happy one. It is about an activity that brings people together, cooking. I will tell you about last Saturday evening, when my family and I decided to cook dinner together. It was a really special night. Usually, my mother or my father cooks dinner alone. But last Saturday, we wanted to do something different, something fun. We all gathered in the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of our home. It's a bright, cheerful room, and it always smells like something delicious. My father asked the big question, "So, what should we make for dinner tonight?" My younger sister, Lily, shouted, "Pizza!" I said, what about chicken and rice? My mother had a great idea. Why don't we make spaghetti and meatballs? We can all help. We all agreed. Spaghetti and meatballs is a perfect meal to make as a family because there are many different jobs for everyone. The first and most important step was to wash our hands. My mother always says, "Clean hands before you cook." So we all went to the sink and washed our hands with soap and water. Now we were ready to be a team of chefs. My mother gave everyone a job. She said, "Okay, Dad, you can be in charge of the vegetables for the sauce. Lily, you can wash the salad. Alex, you can get the pot ready for the spaghetti, and I will make the meatballs." Everyone was excited to start. My father took a big cutting board and a knife. He got a white onion and 2 cloves of garlic. He started to chop the onion into very small pieces. The sound of the knife on the board was rhythmic and nice. Chop, chop, chop. My sister Lily, who is 7 years old, went to the refrigerator. She took out the fresh lettuce, red tomatoes, and a green cucumber for the salad. She put the lettuce leaves in a big bowl of cold water to wash them. It was a safe and important job for her. My job was the pasta. I went to the cupboard and took out a very big pot. I filled it with water and put it on the stove. I turned on the stove to let the water boil. It takes a long time for a big pot of water to boil, so this was a good first step. While I was watching the water, my mother was making the meatballs. She took the ground meat and put it in a large bowl. She added breadcrumbs, an egg, and some special spices. Then she used her clean hands to mix everything together. She showed Lily how to roll the meat into small, perfect balls. Lily laughed as she made a few little meatballs of her own. The kitchen was busy and full of happy sounds. My father finished chopping the vegetables. I put some oil in a pan on the stove, and we added the onions and garlic. Soon, a wonderful smell filled the whole kitchen. It was the smell of a delicious dinner starting. My mother added the meatballs to the pan to cook, and then she poured in the tomato sauce. We let the sauce bubble slowly on the stove. While the sauce was cooking, my father helped Lily with the salad. He showed her how to safely cut the tomatoes and cucumbers into slices. They put everything in a big salad bowl. It looked so fresh and colorful. Next, it was time to set the table. Lily and I did this job together. We put a clean tablecloth on the dining table. We put down 4 plates, 4 forks, 4 knives, and 4 glasses. We also folded the napkins and put them next to the forks. The table looked beautiful and ready for our family meal. Back in the kitchen, the water in my pot was finally boiling. It was time to cook the spaghetti. I opened the package and carefully put the long spaghetti into the hot water. I stirred it with a big spoon so it would not stick together. After about 10 minutes, everything was ready. The spaghetti was cooked, the sauce and meatballs were hard and smelled amazing, and the salad was fresh. We were all very hungry. We all helped to bring the food to the table. My father carried the big pot of spaghetti. My mother carried the pan with the sauce and meatballs. I carried the salad, and Lily carried the bread. We all sat down. My father served the spaghetti onto each plate. Then, my mother put the delicious sauce and a few meatballs on top. We all started to eat. It was silent for a moment, and then everyone said, "This is delicious." The food tasted extra special because we all made it together. We talked and laughed while we ate. We talked about school, about work, and about our plans for Sunday. It was the best part of the day. After dinner, no one left the table. We knew that cooking together also means cleaning together. We made a team for cleaning up too. I collected all the dirty plates. My father washed the dishes in the sink with warm, soapy water. My mother dried them with a towel, and Lily helped put the clean forks and the spoons away. In just 15 minutes, the kitchen was clean again. We spent the rest of the evening feeling full, happy, and connected. Cooking dinner with my family was so much more than just making food. It was about working together, talking, laughing, and creating a happy memory. And I learned that any meal, even a simple one, tastes better when you make it with the people you love.